Hi, CJ Del Vecchio, and I'm here at my new listing at 148 Crescent Place on South Hill in Ithaca, New York. And as always, I'm here to show you a little bit of the inside, and if you'd like your own tour, I'd be happy to get you in to take a look around. So this is a hillside ranch, and we have a dining room open to the kitchen, and a renovated kitchen with quartz countertop and a commercial grade flooring, newer gas stove, beautiful tile backsplash here, and an undermount sink. They kept the original birch cabinets of the era because they really thought that went with the style of the home. And here in the dining room, we have a wood stove, which yes, they have used for heating in the colder months, and a really bright, it's mid-afternoon, so you can see the light streaming in from the west in the living room, big picture window, and it's a brick fireplace, wood fireplace here, and a really pet-friendly lower level window, which their doggos really loved. And some built-in shelving. There are 4 bedrooms plus an office, 2 bedrooms plus the office here on the main level, and a completely renovated full bath with luxury vinyl flooring, a quartz sink vanity, all new plumbing, new toilet, a tile job around the shower, all new plumbing fixtures, really nice full bath on the main level, and then, as I said, a nice office den, could be a 5th bedroom. This home had an architect designed addition, which you can see here, that leads to the lower level, and again, more pet-friendly windows. This is primary suite with just flooded with light even in the afternoon, with a walk-in closet. Take a peek here. Turn the light on, overhead lights everywhere, which is really nice. And overlooking the backyard, the best thing about this house, I guess you could argue, is that it's located right on the South Hill Recreation Trail. Just right off the back gate. As you can see, it's a fenced yard. There's a storage shed. And 2nd bedroom also on the main level. Again, with the same views of the backyard. And of course, there's 2 more bedrooms down with a 2nd full bath, a laundry room, a storage room, a walkout basement. Just lots of surprising space in a house. From the outside, you think it's a small house, but it's really not. So don't judge the book by its cover. You have to come look. So thanks for watching the video today, and let's connect to get you in.